Yes, so my country people agree to now. Arsenal 2 and Fulham 2. And we get Oga J, we be like, say, no, don't get Arsenal fan, no, don't get football fan, make content us about how you see the match today. Oga J, I beg, tell country people how you see your team performance for today's match.
Right from time, I dey fear Arsenal, you understand? I know they believe their performance again. You understand? The way they play the ball now, it come be like say everybody don sabi their pattern finish. They feel they mark them, they know they feel they give up wetin we want again. The formation what we dey use, I don't know why that boy they want sell for Arsenal strike. I don't know why they want sell him. Many people say they go dey strive as Wenger did they try him before, young boys, so that we go know Hunger go take the team, competition go take the team. He not there again. You go say transfer, you know if he transfer, you know they bring the boy morale down. I saw they do for this other guy. Say they call the bench. They call say not good. One will buy with plenty money that time. Then and even when I say he good, the coach I'm not gonna know if the player confidence if they kill him. Or I'm not gonna know their style again. Don't confuse everybody where be Arsenal fan. To watch Boko the tire house now safe. You understand? Martinelli, like say everybody knows if he hold the ball, he go delay the ball. When he go pass the ball, come on his leg. He not go pass the ball, come on his leg. The team play the connection and everything. Come like everybody they play for themselves, they hit there. No teamwork, no synchronicity, nothing. It's entire person.
So I want to ask you about the title race this season. And we see with the way Arsenal push Man City last season. So far now, Arsenal don't play 3 games, 2 win, 1 draw. With what you don't see so far, what do you get to talk about title race? Arsenal if push Man City again.
No, Arsenal not there for the title race. Even last season, we know say not been the go face the winner. You know, say they say that elephant waiting for on top of a tree where they fall. That's what we can see the team now. See tire house, you understand? Tire house, maybe they play, maybe they make with their happy. Because we know they are happy. They don't take with the trophy. 2004, don't tell you. How many years been now? All my wears, all the world, it's all the white now for the team. You call the tire person. All my friends, they laugh me, say, Arsenal, not tell you win trophy, not tell you win trophy. Only plate. When I tell them, say, if Arteta not fit do this work, may tell us because we don't get confidence in that too much. The confidence we they give us, so we don't do the plenty. You understand? We don't tire us for Arteta. We don't believe they go fit do the work normally.
So to you now, I be like say that confidence don't dey shake for Mikel Arteta.
I think I don't go fit do the work. You know fit do the work.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal transfer business. Now we don't see the players who don't come in. Kai Havertz, Declan Rice, Orion Timber. How you see Arsenal transfer business so far? If you want rate am for 1 to 10, how you go rate am?
I'll go rate am 3. I don't know how Havertz take come our team. When I see the rumor, I visit that rumor, I don't know say na reality now it go be. It don't done on us in reality. And we don't see now say Havertz don't do our team. When you go to play Havertz and Trossard dey there where you go play. People are hungry to play the ball. You understand? Havertz, I don't know. There's a mark he come mark for us. The back, I don't know if they mark the marking well for us. Okay. You understand? No contribution so far, no impact so far. Before you know it, everything going to go downhill. Go downhill. We don't tire. No team play. Nothing. We don't fit defend well. We dey experimenting now. We never see no be at a certain level. We never know go dey play right back, who go dey play left back, who go dey play center for us. We tire person.
So Oga J, Arsenal next game like against Manchester United. How you dey see that one? Because anytime we Arsenal dey play Man U, the game dey always dey catch fire. How you dey see the game?
Before I dey know say Arsenal fit win match. But now I don't fit go put my money say Arsenal go win game again though. I don't fit bet my money say Arsenal go win the game. That's what it don't be. So I don't know whether they go fit play tomorrow. If they don't go start Ikita, if they go start Rice, if they go start Silva, we never get reading. We never know what they happen for the team. That's what I see. I don't know if we go fit win. Even Man U whenever they shake itself. You understand? Come like say we never get experience for the team again. I don't just understand how the team just be. I mean, the football does change, just they evolve. We need to change our pattern. We need to change. No academy player for Arsenal they play ball again. Even the Gita where they play ball, the ball now self.
Ikita an academy player and Saka an academy player.
Even the Gita they play the ball now self, they say academy player self. Like na because Gabriel Jesus injured.
Saka an academy player.
Bro, everybody don't know Saka style. Everybody don't know how to mark Saka. That's why I don't see and so. But if they print people they come, they bring competition of places gone for right, for left. We can say everybody they fight, they already hungry. Now they make team they strong. When competition of places there for team, you know say your starting share not the sure. You understand me? Team go they fight to impress just like last season when everybody knows their shirt not very sure. You understand? They play at least until they come they do some kind of wrong.
So to you, some players don't relax because they believe they be first team players now.
Yes, now I say so. Some people don't relax, and the team spirit don't even still die too. Because like some people are even good, so they never they see match. And when you go, you know the same match, you go play the match. You're not going to even believe that you're good again. They kill team morale. That's what they call them. They kill morale. That's what I see the Arsenal team now.
All right, now, Gaji, thank you for your time.